Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to see TI Portal. This particular TI version is TI Portal V17. If you are using Windows 11, I do recommend to use latest version of TI Portal. That would be very good because this particular V17 version does not support Windows 11. So this is what opens up when you first start TI Portal. So we'll create a new project and say this one is demo. I'll click on create. We'll configure a device. Show all devices. We'll go to add new device. A window will pop up right now. This is the window. So right now we have options, that is controller, HMI and PC systems. First of all, we'll go with controllers. In controllers, we have option for Siemens S7 1200 series PLC 1500. We do have some Siemens type controllers. Then we have S7 300 CPU, S7 400 CPUs, Semantic ET200 CPUs and device proxies. So we'll go with Semantic S7 1200 series CPU. In it, there are different kinds of CPUs available. I'll go with this one, 1214C DC. In it, I'll go with this ES7214-1EG40OXB0, and I'll choose version 4.3 as I have a 4.3 version rated this CPU available with me. I'll just go add. So now this is the interface. We do have our PLC. These are this is my rank 0, 103, 102, 101. We can just add the SMPS here or any other communication interface. These are DIDOs and EM modules for extension of existing if we need extra DIDOs, AI or EOs. So now this is the interface. This is the profile, PLC and CPU. If I wanted to change this PLC, I can just right click and change device. I can just select any other. Let's say I don't want to go with 1214 DC. I want to go with 1500 series PLC. So I'll just go here, I click and press delete. I'll do yes, and I'll go here. I'll go here, and I'll select this one, and I'll just drag and drop it, or I can just copy it and I'll just paste it here. So this is the PLC. I pasted here. I'll just zoom it in so you can see. This is 1215C DC. So I just replace it with now I go here. We have multiple blocks. If I want to do online diagnostic, I can just go here. I can go in device configuration in this window. I can go to program block and I can add a new block, or this is my main block. And this is my main block. If I want to add another block, let's say I want to add a function block in data diagram, I can do that. I can call function, I can place its function, and I'll just drag and drop here and it will be there. If I want to do an organization block, maybe program cycle or something else, you can use cyclic interrupt for special program purposes. Else we can just click on program cycle, add main one, and okay, my main OP will be created. I'll show you for function block diagram also. I'll just click here, okay, and my function block has been placed. I do not need this too, so I'll just delete this too. So this is my programming window. These are the topics which we'll cover in a later video. Right now we do have some general instructions. Bit logic operation. I'll just do a basic program. I'll click on this. See, and it's placed here. I'll place an NC and I'll place that there. I'll click on this line. I'll click on this and this. So for this particular PLC, we we do have 14 DI inputs, and we do have 8 9 10 DO output, and their addressing are as follows: I0.0 to I1.5, and outputs as Q0.0 to Q1.1. I'll not use those. I'll just use bit memory. Bit memory starts with the M0.0. This is my tag, and I'll just do M0.1, and I'll do M0.2. I'll do M0.2. This is a very basic coding program. So I will just name this tag. You can name tags in PLC tags. Just go default tag. Default. My tag one is start. My tag two is stop. And my tag three is over. So if I go back here, you can see I have address and the tag name start, stop, and hold. I do have simulator for the same. I'll simulate this program. So, so now my program has been downloaded. I'll just click here and I'll go online. I'll just go here and modify it to 1. I'll just do this modify to 0. You can see when I have pressed this button, my hold command has been activated and this has been holding itself. If I have to turn this off, I can do this and my bit will be off. If I want to go offline, I can then do that too.